new operation like this. New operation browser types common.js, CJS in your folder. I'll just paste the file there, export it. Rebuild that operation and import it here. So now I am just gonna check if you have it anywhere. Yeah, of course. So now this should work. I'm just looking at the other imports that you're doing, because there may be other loops. I don't know exactly what you did. Yeah, and I'm also not sure if you continue working on this one at the moment, so that's why I'm making a video, so you can see that I'm doing a couple changes, and maybe you would need to do the changes in your own code base. I'm just gonna send you my changes anyway. So this seems all fine. I wonder if there's a way for you to make like documentation on this, because it's for me quite hard to see what everything's about. Puppeteer core seems to be the only one, so this seems to be pretty good. So the only problem was actually the model, I guess. Let's see if it builds. No. Ah, okay. CLI was there, not. Yeah, so the reason is that database has a dependency on SDKDB, and SDKDB has now a dependency on Puppeteer utils. See, that's the problem. So now what I can do is rebuild Puppeteer utils, because now browsing session is not there anymore. Generate the new SDK for generating the DB SDK, and boom, then Puppeteer utils will build again. So please be aware of this, otherwise I'm gonna have to fix your packages every time, and it's gonna cost me every time an hour or something, or half an hour to fix your problem.